Hey, today I'm going to be teaching you how to play a video using Python. Let's get started. So as you can see, if I open my files, I have some files. Hello.m4a is the one I'm going to be using right now. So we have the record right here. What you're going to want to do is from playsound. If you haven't already, you need to install a module. And if you go to Google, you find pypi. And from there you search playsound, and then it's going to show you first one. You click that and you install the module. So from playsound you're going to want to import playsound. Yep, and then it's very short. Then next you're going to want to playsound parentheses quotes hello.mp4. Now if we run it, oh no, unable to load sound named that, because this is not an MP4 file, it's actually an M4A. So now if we run it,
if you're seeing this, you're watching the video.
And what he said, / me, is true. If you're seeing this, you're watching the video. Can't deny that. So, from playsound import playsound. See how this 2 lines of code works. I used voice memo.
If you're seeing this, you're watching the video.
Because right now, you see this, well, you don't see that, but voice memos, I recorded using voice memos. So if you're seeing this, then you're watching the video. I recorded that using voice memos. I'm using a Mac. So if you don't have voice memos, you want to use like something that can record and you can play it back. So you can take it from that. Like right now, voice memos, I took it because it said hello.m4a. So I took the recording and I played it using Python. So what this does right here, it calls playsound because I already installed the module. And if you installing the module still doesn't work, then you're going to want to install another module, because it's going to be called AppKit, because a module is basically something that someone made. So if you're going to want to use playsound, then you need their module. So once again, pypi.org, and then you search playsound, and then you click on the first thing that pops up. So run it.
If you're seeing this, you're watching the video.
Yep, it's true. So basically, just 2 lines of code. You're going to need the module in order to use them. In order to use playsound. Well, bye. If you enjoyed, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.